Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, guys. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Great to appreciate my Lord. This very TV people in the building. Oh yes, my people. Get to go get matter. I want to talk about today. This is my Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, if you never subscribe, please subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV so that we'll soon start live video there, guys. Please try to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, my beautiful people, my free fans out there. If you never subscribe, try to subscribe, guys. I appreciate you all for your good work. I appreciate you all for your kind work. God will continue to be blessed, man. So we'll get to go get matter. I want to talk about today. This matter goes for this lady Lolo. Lolo, I don't really understand, and I want quickly no. Lolo, I appreciate Lolo. I don't really understand what be your problem. No, you go still imagine and say why me they insult you, why me the trauma to give you. You know one thing, what I hate for this life in past who they pretend. You Lolo or don't love it. Gladys and Edidina Ke. Now the same rope now put now. You know why? You too pretend, you're pretending it will kill you inside. Because I see no reason why person can't make friend with you, later it become problem. I remember when B say this matter when he go or when Monica talk about yesterday about this Vera issue. Now you nyenye this matter pass. The day when you did Facebook, when you called to do that video, I was there with you. People just come and say, come, Vera, when you show us 2 days ago, Lolo, they use and do live video for Facebook. Now I take one, I can't see you. That day was a big insult to your face. It was a huge slap on your face. You know why? Because the insult there was too much. People insult you like say tomorrow Monday. You say, see, oh, yeah, has when she get oh, blah 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 oh, le. You insult that girl. That did not be smart in my people. She insult that girl like say tomorrow Monday. She insult. Nothing Lolo not talk. Nothing Lolo not shook her mouth, but nothing Lolo talk. Okay, now if you see yourself as you say the disgrace yourself, because you and person make friend and not they play again, you go they try to go put life for your head so that they will they look Monica like evil person, so that they look Monica say Monica na lie. Fine say Monica, you get all temper, but at the time she keeps secrets and she did nice pass you. Except people when it blind, except people when truth not they let them talk. Monica not they quickly they do a proco for person matter. If they say me they talk who they do a proco and who they poke nose, pon. If they say me they ask to who they poke nose on people matter, you are the number one poke noser. You are the number one poke nosy up and down. You get me? They never see who poke nose reach you. You know why me not go leave you for waste? It's because of my video. Because if me they deal with you, then make you see me say I don't carry the near person. Now you go to side dokosana. No. Now Ranomigo go side dokosana. No. A pie the moving now we just sit down the carry the cost now. No. I be na this lady when they call her shakeable mama. No. I don't feel sit down carry the cost. There are many people when they Facebook or YouTube. No. But who near me, I go deal with them. No, why me want worry you, give you pepper, body hit for body. Now my video, thank God many people don't remember. My video when I do for my page, except you apologize to me. If you not apologize to me, you know why? Because now that one me tell you say you are a wicked and heartless human being. Nobody know when you go carry my video. That time you and Monica see the play, but not be Monica sends you. Monica don't even know when you take command, go carry my video, the cutter for your page. Monica no know when. She no know when you take come carry my video, cut and put for your page. Truth not say me they not talking. But now only you want to. Now you see with the person say they come and say, hey, I not find trouble. You see, you come out that day you they swear. You say na Monica tell you say na so that they go sleep with that woman. Say na so now Monica tell you say they go sleep with Susie. At the end now you see come out on your frustration to say Monica they curse your follower, golden fish follower. Now make you see find the one we want tell her follower. You see you. So if now what did you do your state they keep person lolo? And what be the boy oh wow. You go just see finish your household. Are you wicked, sha? Because of jealousy. Waiting on Monica not tell you, say Monica tell you. You even they swear, say Monica tell you. For that one to hate Monica, for that one to run away from Monica. Maybe you don't go underground work, you don't do make they hate Monica. But they not agree. Now you say, wait till you go do, make they pull light for a head. Because I don't really know the kind you might be when you be Lolo. You come out, you say they sleep with you. So you say to carry the corner. Now you call it hey. You know some people go. Why you call say people? You know some they go back. Pride won't kill you. That my video when you carry, you know will get rest of mind put. Because you know why? I never near you one day. Since I started my life video, I never trauma to give you. So anything when I do you, can't go your anywhere. Go use and swear. Except I feel come for you, now you do me, now you go take get rest of mind. But if I don't feel come for you, you just want to find who you want bring down, who you want insult, who you want trauma to give. You shall never know peace. And peace shall continue to depart from you. Because you are a liar and jealousy. If person say you don't need friend, you have to let it go. You go let her go. You don't let her go. You dey pop. I don't need friend though. Now so I tell her that time. You they swear they show because of your hungry one kill you. My husband, you stay your own, make she stay you. You not go fit stay your own. You say Monica matter not go let you leave. Every Monica can't move away. Every Monica must to move away. If Monica matter not kiss you will not say no be Monica. Every Monica can't move away. Because the way you take the prognosis, they go underground. They use fake account. They send people, may they take the commit. Monica not get that time. Monica not the same people. Now make God, anywhere you pass, come. God, they always disgrace you. And then you still have the mind that the gods, you know what they pay you. I felt no way, me know what they pay you. If you say Monica, no. Now when Monica te say go when Monica can say Monica team. Now that frustration start to enter your body. Monica not understand this one. I made it talk as well. Since when Monica tell to say Monica's team, now disgrace and frustration begin to worry you. You want that. I have Monica because when they do friend, Monica go for call her Monica and Lolo's team. Because Monica not call them Lolo and Monica and Lolo's team, you can't say you want that partition, want kill and not attack Mosolician stake by you. Now that one you want use that so many people don't understand. Now you want that, not saying now you got a Golden Fish family. Oh, be Golden Fish for those your stupid and useless nyama follower. Now Golden Fish family. When Monica never say Monica's team, you never come and say make people see where you started your jealousy. Because of jealousy, what your friend not tell you, you say your friend tells you. Just to lie, just to find way to bring her down. You say now so she tell you, you're not gonna feel lie you. She tell you, what wish you know for the bottom of your heart that this lady did not say anything to you. Just to spread her way, people where they follow her, may they for run leave her, may they for say a bad person, may they for say which kind of person be this one. Now I be waiting use and mean. And shall never know peace. Can see this man, they are not poor American. Okay. You shall never know peace. Not be person may not talk say a Lolo's team. You are for say Lolo's team, and everybody gets you. You and they pray, not me say you go your carry TOT they give you, or may your carry body they give you every day. You say money cannot matter, not go let you live. Anybody when go say why me they insult you now, God I go punish that person. Except that person don't know when, and if you don't know where I mean they cause Lolo, my dear, don't you ever call me or write rubbish on my YouTube. Don't write any rubbish because somebody go there, I beg, forgive Lolo. Lolo, don't apologize. Me no apologize when Lolo apologize to me. If Lolo not apologize to me, I not go leave her. And she say she dey pride. Lolo, Monica, where God go bless. As you see, say people call, they say she bad. They won't say they call. She come and say she apologize to everybody. Nobody, that woman, not use my touch. That's to know a real somebody. When you know you offend somebody, just apologize. Say, Precious Meg, you hear, I see video when she do, they send that for me. I listen to her video and I give her kudos because she's a very nice lady. She said when they never apologize to her, when Monica never apologized to her, he said, my they boy, really, when you offend somebody, when you don't apologize, see they claim smart man, you go to verse somebody, person say you go defend what he want to do you. But Precious Man says, immediately he called her name, he apologized. All the grudges and everything she had for Monica, she threw away her. Yes. With the offense, God they forgive us. Why with the offense, God they forgive us. We see the offense people said they forgive us. Monica come and say, come apologize to everybody. Apologize to everybody. See, your son not go let her rest. Although love it where your life don't frustrate. Your papa now don't kick the bucket on top the shed. Everywhere kick a bucket, your papa kick buckets. Although love it, I'm coming for your own. They already your own. And I'm ready to give it to you. Lolo, not let Monica drink water drop cup. Lolo, not let Monica rest. Lolo, not every day, every time. Not be person say me you go lie for Susie head. When Susie take bright lala paper for you. Oh my God. But if you want to tell that Monica tell you, Monica say not tell you. No who ain't to tell you. Anything with the person like make it do put, he not talk. He answer. But you see they insist. At the end they go swear. You know. Frustration enter your life, body. Your imbecile, useless, and sticky husband. Oh, go say, maybe no, insult your husband. God go punish that person. When Monica, they talk my matter last year, Lolo call put it, they cost me, they cost my man. Lolo, your husband not go get rest of mind. You don't forget husband before your husband, that fool, your husband, nobody, UK, or one your that for done, you go, oh, go say why me they insult Lolo. Oh, go bad. Oh, now go kill that person. For my picture you post, you must enter one chance. You carry my video. Why me they deal with you like this? So anywhere you like, carry me go. Go swear put. If I feel come for you. Anything you do, now I go take reach my body. But if I don't feel come for you, when I started my live video, because I don't make up way for you to correct me, to call me in order, say, my sister, I love you, but this will make up, it's not good. If you go join our makeup class, it not to cost 30 euro. For you to reason with me, Lolo, you come out, you go carry my video. Oh, go back and boy. It mean to you will be the topic of this year and next year. Now, mommy want me you. Except, now lie they lie against you. If I don't lie against you, she come out, go carry my video. He carry and don't pay me. If he carry or he share and put for her work, people call they comment mama. Lolo carry my video. Those people when they come my platform, call they talk rubbish. Lolo carry my video for my wall. You see my earring door for Oiwa Boga Lawegbe Lolo. Lolo carry my video for my wall. She go there, she go write rubbish put. My enemy they suffer. I beg, no na donate money for me. Vera they suffer. Now you and your family, that your useless sister, for Nigeria. Now they suffer. That your sister won't agree. They be one small as let and stay. Oh, wow, now they suffer. Because now one started to lay cost on you. Because you do that, if people cost me for them, you not pay me. Because you carry village people carry that video. They can't go cut her for your own again. They can't go put her. As you take cut her, so Aproko people that time. That was last time. Aproko, not be Aproko. Village people, not be Aproko, now village people. They carry that my video. They lay cost for your papa and your mama head, for your generation, for your useless sister and your useless family. Lolo, they lay cost on my head, not be me. Because if I deal with you today, anybody will go talk, except you come outside the public. You say as Monica take apologize to people. Otherwise, anybody you except you come outside, you apologize to me, say, Vera, I'm sorry. I really offend you. I'm sorry for your video. I went to your page. I go your page, go carry video. I'm not supposed to. I beg, forgive me. Now I go tell leave you for waste. If you not do that apology, if I leave you down, and anybody when go talk say why me the cost all ogun baga gbon money. If I boga la money gbe, the person not go get rest of mind. The self maybe I fed do you, but if I don't fed do a bon pa no nya no rota gbona, talk I know well lolo. Eh, but pa no nya no rota gbona. He go ask you. Also when they this life, he go ask you lolo. He go ask you all the evil atrocity wey they commit for this life, for this social media. He must surely ask you, and my head go ask you lolo. I will continue to delay cost on you because that time. Why me they tell some people, maybe some people get money cannot near me. Money cannot dey here. Oh. Money cannot near me. I dey no observe person. Money cannot be underground. They find trouble. They found in one. No. Now me she bored they know she want talk your matter. She go come and she go talk as it be. If you like, go and hit your head in the forest. If you like, go and hit your head in the wall. Go ya sound where she will say the truth and she will leave them. When they kind of say, me they support them, when me they support Monica might carry a matter, you they Chris, are you the one that will tell me what to do? Are you the one that will tell me what to do or not? Are you the one that will tell me how I'm going to live my life? They carry my matter to go and give Monica. That was quite fine, of which many people was aware. They carry my matter to go and give Monica, and they pay her for it. You only talk that matter once. Now what made me still forgive her? Only once now Monica talk. And when Monica they talk my matter last year, Lolo not corporate. When God will take punish those people when they tell say, Monica, when talk to you last year, when you will take talk to Lolo not talk couple for the live video, to say I not wash her. Lolo couple for the live video. She insult me, she insult my husband, she insult my life. Your husband, your life, and your if you were now all those who are your husband, your life now they go. For my husband not to near you. Naisha, you marry your husband, Vera, and your husband, Naisha. Lolo. If Lolo is not fucking Isha, we don't know where for for Isha, we don't know. And like me, as I don't know where my husband for come for Isha. Lolo, Mike, she say she's abandoned property and a wasted human being. We don't know her left from her right. Lolo, I will pepper you if you know the truth. Now last year you do that video, I do it for my page. I not the insult person. I not the cause person. I not use person they take come outside make her the cause payment for blue. As some people call they do and I know. I started my struggle and I work hard. Lolo was trying to bring me down. So then when I was on live video for that period, people come to insult me. Look at your makeup, look at your dress. You are this, you are that. Lolo caused that. If you people don't know. Lolo insults me. Say me they donate money for a papa and a mama with a useless sister when they suffer for us. When they found one give and shift before you go feel live life. She say my enemy they suffer. Make they can't donate money for she and her children. Yeah, and a picking. Make they can't donate money for them because suffer one kid. Your husband don't run live and another woman, don't collect her for UK. If person not new for this social media, man, I'm not carry on a dirty sticky mat. You just I carry your video one day, or me don't throw mat give you. No. I know they curse you. I know they near you. I never insult you one day. So I'll give you the right and the privilege to go to my page to insult me, to curse me. If I go Percy page or Percy Facebook, okay, we know okay, they use and grow a page. Not you as a presenter, go to my page and carry her because say now you day up, me just they come. Carry and write rubbish on top that page, your top the video. She insult me, not insult when Monique Lolo not insult me. So now people will not say, why me they talk to Lolo? Lolo, you are bogala wegbe. If you need peace and rest of mind, I will use you as an scapegoat. They call her. Go apologize to me. Oh, when man apologize to anybody will go my page, go they talk say, Lolo, don't apologize to you. Your husband Naisha, she Naisha, forgive her. Isha can't go. Isha ma Naisha people head when it good. Now go ask Lolo. Isha people head when it good for this word. Now their head go ask Lolo. Because Lolo is a wicked and heartless human being. Only you know if he can spoil Asian people. Only you know if he can look Monica and Aisha my married. Me na my husband Aisha. But I go where you useless and frustrate. You who were for you come frustrate for the Aisha. All the Aisha when it good. You won't call use your rig because they spoil that. They say Aisha. If there's some useless and second, now Benio, now Igbo, now this one. Whereas they are wicked and heartless people. Your husband now who and if a boga like when he do nose like a agbegi. Your husband when he knows me, very ugly bitch. Your husband when ugly like imbecile. Go see nose, go see another woman don't collect her from you. Know if you call the cost my husband. When Monica carry my video come, you not couple. One na call the say why me the cost only Lolo. Monica Lolo not couple. Who first carry my picture go put for one na Lolo na. Who still come out again go they call Monica the talk. When can they talk that word once? She not talk am again. She not be like Audio Lovett. She not be like Kakabo. She not be like Jennifer. No. They only say it, she only say it once. That was last year. On my big kind. Now because they cannot go meet and they pay her money, now she sit down, she talk up, finish. All those matters, they say, Monica offend a lot of people. Monica offend a lot of people. One of they say Monica offend a lot. No, na dead, they carry my own, they happen. That all worry, I happen. Na mona enjoy, na mona kuna biera. Me kuna biera, why enjoy? Mona they enjoy that. Not be like Monica. I'm there to stand with Monica 24/7. No, who want that make it that. When they bring my matter last time, many people don't use and do video for their YouTube channel. When some call they talk say, shame you they catch them, see the body how they rotate, shoot the body how they rotate them. I know now. When you do that video last year, you see there on our YouTube channel. Me why? Not be this year under the talk. One not hear from una quickly use and go do video. Una put up on our YouTube channel. You just they shame. Why will you shame? Is that your fucking business? Their papa die. Me, I don't understand why some people will do not go carry on a matter. You know, can't have matter put for head. When I come abroad, I know the work, I know do a shower, and I cannot please somebody and displease myself. Umbano. I can't please somebody and displease myself. So now on a fucking business. And leave me alone. Now me get something anyhow like was or but. Mona leave and not come back. I say I not come back with money. I know someone give me money. I know someone give me food. I know say Mona borrow me money. Mona leave on. Not be want to tell me I want to take care of anybody. You know, concern man. Or my can what? If you got deny me, you got deny. It concern now my fucking business. You give me money, as I not get, you borrow me. Because me then I never get. Even you borrow me first. Then next year or next 2 years I give you if I start to work. Una go agree? Why are you there prognosing on my matter? Why are you there prognosing? Erian ragbo me wu. Eri mo wa koki me 7 na enjeme. Ije ma ira mo yebe di ba ene. Era mo yebe mu igore no yari ba e. Oh, you stupid and useless human being. At the end, go there, go the do wrong. I'm not talk him again, no. Borrow me. If you not say they pay you for body, I said, I know they work. This YouTube one, they do, so they do. Now small thing. Not, you not reach anything, small thing, they come out for them. And I get picky for you when I go take care of. When the papa say they take care of marriage, now I dey. I don't say borrow me money. I don't say borrow me. I swear I not carry my problem come meet you. Wait till call sound now. I know I'm enough now. We do video about it last year. So you people should mind your fucking and sticking business. So nobody should come on my page and say, why they insult Lolo? Lolo, till you come out and apologize to Vera TV program. That is when you will have peace. If you not come out because you they come and go they warn other people, they save wicked and heartless woman, they save people videos. They save people things may they use against Monica. Since you sabi save people own, that my own when you carry me don't save and keep long time ago. The video there with me. As I be not be Lolo when you do around like this. I be not be Lolo. It there is with me. The video is with me. When you tell insult me, when you tell write rubbish, put it there with me. I don't know whether I don't delete it for your page. It's with me. If you can swear, you go see this side your page. Maybe you go delete. I don't know. The video is with me. If I still lie against you. If you don't swear for me, you don't write rubbish, say me that God donate money for my enemy, say I suffer. Say I don't know how to make up. When you curse me for the people, come begin to comment, you're useless and sticky people call the comment, they curse me. If I lie against you, come outside until you apologize to Vera people, that is when you will have peace. Because I've been warlord 3 years, 4 years, 5 years back. So I'm back again for you. Wow, warrior. It's my page. If I like I your content, I pull red for here, you reach here. I like tomorrow I pull blue for here, reach here. Now my face, now your face. Not be to evil encourage somebody say, oh, this makeup is not too good. Come to our makeup class. I will respect you and I will like you for that. No. Just to bring me down, just to let people, just to make people to insult me, just to make people to hate me. That was the reason why Lolo did that. That was the reason why she do what she did. So I will end this video here, my people. Thank you very much. This is my pursue the Enter House TV. This message is for a shameless Lolo. Shame on you, Lolo. Now I want to put shame on you. Like life, fuku, shower in the area. When I shower, you your toto no they let you put for one place. You they call you now you be that shishi when we know. Now you be that shararara when we know. Can't use your life swear say you never fuck. You know they talk, if people they talk, they know they ask you question. You know they talk, say, me self I don't fuck, oh, me self I sleep with man, not be me. You self Lolo, you sleep with man, oh, you self Lolo, you sleep with me. You don't talk and when you talk another person. Or will you come out in public and say, I will swear, if he Lolo, you don't test another man cassava, will you both? You cannot do that. So why are you dead lying, talking people's matter up and down? And you don't need to talk people matter. So you need to mind your business. You understand me? So I go end this video for here, my beautiful people, my real fans. May God go bless. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Lolo, you need to apologize to Verity because that is when I will forgive you. If not so, I will not forgive you. Thank you very much. Bye for now.